Are you ready for a trick question? We have fractions multiplication and we have a fractions addition. When we do the multiplication, we can just say top times top, 3 times 8 is 24. And then bottom times bottom, 10 times 10 is 100. And we have an answer, and it's a correct answer, but we can simplify this. If we divide 24 and 100 by their greatest common factor, it's going to be 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 100 divided by 4 is 25. I get the answer 6 over 25. So that's one way of getting the answer to a multiplication. I multiply and then I simplify. But another way is to simplify first and multiply afterwards. So let's try that. If I want to simplify, the 8 and the 10 have a common factor of 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, 10 divided by 2 is 5. I'm canceling, but I'm not finished. I can still do some canceling because the 10 and the 4 have a common factor of 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now I can multiply. I just have 3 times, all that's left over here is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. And 5 times 5 is 25. I have the right answer, and it's already simplified. So it's really a choice. Do I want to simplify by canceling first and get directly to the right answer after, or do I want to just directly multiply and then simplify after? Either way, you can do it right. Now let's do a very similar problem, except it's an addition. We have 3 tenths plus 8 tenths. Well, they already have a common denominator. So 3 plus 8 is 11. I have my answer. I have 11 tenths as an answer. But wait, what if I want to simplify? Let's try it. 8 and 10 have a common factor of 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, 10 divided by 2 is 5. It looks a lot like this one. But 10 and 4 have a common factor of 2, and I can't cancel. You can only cancel diagonally like that when it's multiplication. With addition, subtraction, division, you can't. So, now I just want to get my answer, and I realize, wait, when I simplified, I got rid of my common denominator. Now it's harder now. What do? I have to expand this second fraction 4/5 so that it's over a common denominator. So I'm going to turn it into 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10. I turned it into what I had to start with. So simplifying before multiplying can really help to get to the correct final answer that's reduced and to do it quickly. But simplifying before addition is not necessarily as useful. Not this time anyway, because we already had a common denominator and then we got rid of it. We just made our question harder. So I guess this was a trick fractions question.